Alright, what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you guys how to disable the seatbelt chime on the 2014 Challenger. I'm not sure exactly on which year Challengers this would work, but I don't see why it wouldn't work on almost all of them. And about other cars, I'm not too sure, but this is mainly on the 2014 Challenger RT. And the reason I disable it is because sometimes I have friends that take forever to put their seatbelt on or continuously take it off, and I'm tired of hearing that little beeping noise to tell them to put on their seatbelt. Or another reason, because you might have something heavy to transport, let's say a heavy box, and too lazy to move the seat forward and put it in the back seat, or it doesn't fit in the back seat or the trunk, so you just put it on the passenger seat. And because of the weight, I guess the sensor thinks that somebody's sitting in that seat, and the seatbelt chime would just keep going on. So the first thing you need to do, the first thing you need is the key fob. I'm not sure if it'll work on the regular key, but the key fob for sure. So the first thing you need to do is remove the push to start, and you could just pop that out, like dig your nails under there, or put the key in there. Second thing you need to do is put the key fob inside. Let me just make sure the car is off. Why is it? Alright, give me 1 second. Alright, now that the car is completely off, first thing you want to do is grab your seatbelt. And first of all, let's take a trip so you can see I don't have my seatbelt on. Seatbelt is right there. Let's take a ride so you guys can see that it is on. Alright. Okay, volume's low. And lights are off. Okay, you see that there's the indicator for no seatbelt. I don't have it on. And I'm going to show you guys that it'll just beep. Turn on my lights. Alright, still no seatbelt. Let's just wait for it. Take a quick drive around the parking lot. It should start beeping. I think once you go past a certain mile per hour, it'll start beeping. I'm going to go on the street for a bit. Don't drive without your seatbelt though. This is not a video so you can drive without a seatbelt. It's just for the passengers, or if you have something in the passenger seat. Okay, still no seatbelt. Another thing, this won't disable the initial chime, so it'll still give you a little chime in the beginning, but it won't continuously keep beeping. Alright, let's see. There it goes. There's that chime telling me to put my seatbelt on. I mean, it's not, well, as you can tell, it'll get annoying after a while. Still don't have my seatbelt on. And just think about it. If you have somebody in your passenger, something decently heavy, it's just going to keep doing that the whole drive. So I will show you guys how to disable it. I'm sure you guys will get annoying of that chime as well. See, no seatbelt. Let me just pull back into that parking lot where I was at. Are you guys annoyed of it yet? I know I am. Pull in straight ahead. Make sure the car's off. Lights. Close that. Alright. So now before I show you guys how to turn off the chime, if you guys could please do me a favor. If this video helped you out, or if it actually worked for you as well, please leave it down in the comments. And if you like this video on how to disable it, like and subscribe to this video. I'll be doing more how-tos, since who doesn't like how-to videos, am I right? Alright. So you saw, well, you heard it chiming, making a beeping sound, whatever. Alright, so it's really simple. First thing you want to do is awkwardly grab the seatbelt. And like I said, you need the key fob, so leave it off. Plug the seatbelt in. It's in, right? Next thing, just turn it on. Okay, it's on. Actually, ignition mode on. That's where you want to leave it. Wait about 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, just in case. Next thing you want to do is unbuckle your seatbelt 3 times, with the 3rd or 4th time inside the seatbelt. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, and one more for good luck. 4. Next thing I want to do is turn it off. Ignition mode off, and that should be it. And we'll do another quick test drive. So I'm going to unbuckle my seatbelt, as you can tell. Alright, it's unbuckled, seatbelt is right there. Alright, and let's go for another drive. Like I said, it won't disable the initial chime, but oops, I put on my seatbelt. Sorry about that, guys. So leave it off. It's a habit, but sort of a good habit to drive with your seatbelt on. There I go again. Alright. So just to show you that it does work, we're going to go for another drive on my way back home finally. So. And I will show you guys that my seatbelt is still off by that little light. The light does not go away, but at least you won't get to hear the annoying chime anymore. Still no seatbelt. And we're doing 25, 30. Still no chime. There we go. So like I said, it's really simple. With the key fob in the off position, click the seatbelt in, turn the key fob to on, unbuckle the seatbelt for three times, with your last turn leaving it click, and then turn off your key fob, or initially the car, and that should be it. As you can tell, we're going 40, accelerating, seatbelt still off, no chime. Alright, now time to put my seatbelt back on, because like I said, don't want to get hurt and don't want a ticket. But if you like that video, and if it helped you out, Actually, leave me a comment if it helped you out. If it didn't, leave me a comment of what you would want me to show you guys how to do. So catch you later, guys.